This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your mobile data not working on your Android phone. So this could be somewhat easy to fix with some settings. What we can do is just swipe down from the top right and we can look at these different buttons. Now if we have airplane mode on, it's going to look like this. Airplane mode is going to disconnect you from your mobile network, so you won't have any kind of signal whatsoever. You can see I have a little airplane option right here. I just want to go to this and I want to turn it off. Now sometimes just turning on airplane mode and turning off can help reset your network. It will disconnect you and then it's going to go ahead and search again for a signal. So sometimes just turning this on or off can prompt your network to actually start getting a signal. So now you can see I have this little circle and an X through it. That's because I don't have a SIM in there. So if your SIM is not connected correctly, you're going to want to go to the side here, remove it, and then just make sure this little door on the side here, this compartment, is sealed properly. So a lot of times when I put my SIM in, I do this just to make sure it's actually tight. So if you don't do that, you won't see a signal on there whatsoever. So now I can see a signal going up and down. This one here is good too. So just turn off Wi-Fi mode, airplane mode. Make sure your SIM card is in properly. And then I have the option for mobile data right here on my Samsung. Now it makes it really easy to turn it on or off under here. So just make sure this is turned on. Otherwise you can go to settings right here. Scroll on down, go to connections. And then we want to locate SIM manager. Tap that. And now you can see there's an option for mobile data right here. Now this one's grayed out because I don't have a SIM card in there right now. But on my other phone here, you can see I have the option for SIM card. I want to go ahead and just select my SIM card. And then right here at the bottom, I can see the option for mobile data. So you need to have mobile data turned on. Otherwise, you're not going to be connected to your network. So just make sure it's turned on right here. You can try toggling it on or off, once again, just to help prompt it to reconnect to the network. Now go ahead and select your number, and if you select your number, you're going to have more options under your network. So you can see I have connect to data services while roaming. If you don't have this turned on, if you go outside of your network range, well, you're not going to have a signal, you're not going to be able to connect to the internet at all. So you're going to want to make sure you have roaming on, if that's allowed on your plan. Sometimes you might have to pay extra for that. So you're going to have to look at your plan as well. And then we have the data warning and limit. So if you have a limit on your plan, you can set a data warning limit on here. Then set data limit. So I think mine is set to 100 gigabytes. So we can go back now. Another thing that you want to go and make sure you have on if you have a poor signal or something is dropping is Wi-Fi calling. So we can make calls over Wi-Fi. And the most important thing you want to do is go to call preferences and go to call over Wi-Fi. Otherwise, it's still going to try to make phone calls over your network. So right here is the default call over mobile network. So just select call over Wi-Fi. And then you can use your Wi-Fi at your house to make phone calls. So very convenient. So you don't have to worry about dropping calls at all. So look at those options. And then we do have the option to go to these different access point names. But usually the one I have for T-Mobile is good enough. You could try resetting this too. All our different setting options in here. What we want to do is go on over to settings. Scroll on down. Then go on down to where it says, I think it will be about phone on your Samsung, but under system for my Motorola. So if we go into here, we want to scroll on down. And right at the bottom is reset options. And we can go to reset mobile network options right here. And if we're having an issue with our mobile network and all of a sudden it just stopped working, if it's due to a setting, we can just reset the setting right here. So go ahead and try that out. And if you didn't restart your phone, make sure you restart your phone. Sometimes, devices they don't work properly if they've been left on too long. So just doing a quick restart could help fix the issue as well. So look into those settings. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.